Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google Voice with the Google account you want calls tied to. Once signed in, grant microphone and contact permissions so calls and caller ID work. Without them, the app can't place or identify calls. Next, pick a new Google Voice number or port your existing number. Porting may take days and can incur fees, so make sure details match your carrier. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to place your first call. Now place the call by tapping the call icon, typing a number or selecting a contact. Include the plus and country code for international calls. Make sure the correct Google Voice number is selected under From, especially if you manage multiple numbers. This controls which number appears to the recipient. During the call, use on-screen controls for speaker, mute, keypad, or add call. If you need higher fidelity, switch to a Wi-Fi connection to reduce dropouts and improve voice quality. Finish by tapping the red hang up button and then check your call history to confirm the call completed and view duration. If calls aren't connecting or you miss calls, go to Settings and verify call forwarding, linked phones, and blocked numbers. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. If audio is distorted, switch networks, confirm microphone permission, and reboot the app or device. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh your account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.